Hey guys.
Hi guys.
It's Team Vicarious with Jeanne and Andy.
We're stuck in traffic.
Yeah, on the Route 27, 127.
Route 27.
In Long Island. On our way to Montauk. Second half of our Maine to Montauk vacation.
My happy place.
Also the end to the end. So we went to the end of Route 1 in Fort Kent, Maine. And now we're going to the end of Long Island, Montauk, which is called the end. And they're both awesome places. This is more sunny, beachy weather. We're waiting for the clouds to burn off. It rained a little bit on the way here when we left New Haven at about...
In 600 feet, take exit 66 for North Road toward Shinnecock Canal.
All right, maybe. We'll see. We should be in Montauk around 8 o'clock or so. There's a little bit of traffic here because of a crash, it said on the...
In 400 feet, take exit 66 for North Road toward Shinnecock Canal.
Are you going to take it?
Take exit 66.
It's only a minute slower if we stay on.
Okay.
Stay on this route. So, but anyway, if you've never been to the Hamptons or Montauk, it's an awesome place, especially in the summer. The Hamptons, of course, are the big, beautiful homes, but also really nice towns. Lots of restaurants and shops and things like that, and then beautiful beaches on Long Island. This will be my third time out there, but Jeannie's been there how many times?
Hundreds.
Hundreds? That's a lot.
Maybe not hundreds, but I wish it was hundreds. The beaches are natural and wild, and the waves are big. The best beaches around, just the best.
And we're going to the state park first to hit the beach there. It's called
Hither Hills
State Park in New York. And it's a couple bucks to park.
Continue
like 10
on
or
New
15
York 27
bucks.
East for 1.5 miles.
It's like 10 or 15 bucks to park for the day. But what's cool is they have really nice showers, changing room. They have a snack shack on the beach. And this is so foreign to us in Connecticut that they sell alcohol. The state sells alcohol on the beach. And you can bring your own coolers and drink on the beach. You can also play frisbee and build fires and stuff like that. We can't do any of that in Connecticut. You're not allowed. In most beaches, you can't even bring a cooler.
There's no fun allowed
No fun in Connecticut. Dan O'Malloy has crushed all that.
Yes.
Oh, wait, we're not going to do politics.
You're not allowed. Oh, sorry.
Yeah. But anyway, no, it's before him anyway. In Connecticut, they don't want you to have fun on the beach. They want you to sit there quietly, not make any noise. A lot of places you can't even have a radio.
You can't smile at people walking by. You have
to stare ahead
yes.
at the waves.
Eyes straight ahead.
And try not to make too much noise or move too quickly. But here in New York, on Long Island,
you can do whatever you want.
It's pretty cool. It's really nice. I was very impressed. So, and we'll show you more of the beach when we get there. We really only have like 12 miles to go, but it says it's going to take us about an hour because of the traffic. So we'll see what happens. But we'll get some breakfast and we'll talk to you a little bit later.
Bye.
Bye.